the unboxing of iQOO 90, which is a very compelling, whatever you want to call it, device for 50,000 bucks. Here's the device. This is alpha black color that we are going to unbox, and basically what we are going to in unboxing is I have already taken out all the accessories what you get with it. So this is a clear case that fits snugly. Little bit on the sides there is a stretch, USB type C to C cable, and massive 120 watt charger. So that is all come in the box. There is obviously a pin to remove the SIM tray. Now let's talk about the phone. Phone is completely made out of metal. There is a metal chassis. Completely, there are two bands on the top. There is one IR blaster and one microphone. On the left, you get a band plus volume rocker up and down, and you get the power on off button. On the bottom you get grill mark for the sound output, and USB-C 2.0 for the data transfer and the charging port, and also that you get USB type C 2.0 cable plus SIM tray. SIM tray is dual nano SIM tray. There is no expandability. So this is what is the physical overview. Now let me come to the phone. Phone is very solid. This is almost 200 and 500 gram weight. It comes with very good functional camera, I would say. There is 50 megapixel primary sensor, and then there is another 13 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and then there is a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. So I would say this is a very balanced camera sensor. There is no gimmicky 2 megapixel or 5 megapixel macro or depth sensor. For authentication, there are two modes, either face unlock or fingerprint scanner. Fingerprint scanner tucked into the display and works really well, and it gives very good haptic feedback as well. Similarly, the face unlock is also very fast. There is no problem at all. It comes with the display of 120 Hz AMOLED display. This is a completely this is not LTPO panel. This is a panel which changes the mode between 30, 60 and 120. Still smart, not as bad as it remains always on 120 Hz. The biggest highlight of the phone is that it comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Thankfully I could spell it right. So this is one of the most optimized heat susceptible chipset that we had seen in last few years, and this does not there is no exception here as well. So, and along with that, it comes with a battery of 4700 mAh, which has 120 watt of charger, which charges it in within 20 minutes. depending upon the outside temperature, it might take sometimes 23 to 24 minutes, but nonetheless it is very fast and very secure. The texture on the back is very soft and it is dual tone. This is very soft, resisting the fingerprint, but on the top it is something which is not resisting the fingerprint, and that's where I have concern. Nonetheless, the camera, the phone comes with the case. If you are using the case, it will be good, and with the case also that the weight does not go beyond 211 gram. Now, selfie camera is basically 32 megapixel camera with 1.5 aperture, which is also good, nice. Now let's talk about the camera performance. Camera performance is very good. I'll be linking down the all the camera samples that I've taken in the G drive below. You can go and access that and have a look at it. I would say in overall this is a good average camera for a flagship, for a average flagship. I would not call it as flagship, though it has all the features of the flagship. There is no curvature, so the premiumness is not present. I like the curved displays, though there are a lot of people who love the flat display. It's a treat for them. Again, the important thing that we see as a next step in the industry is that the charging standards are moving from type C to C, which is good to see in this, and this is very appreciating. Nothing else comes in the box, guys. What else? As far as the performance goes, I will show you the benchmark. It crosses easily the billion mark. Here is the AnTuTu score. So it is not slouch when it comes to the performance. And most importantly, I have seen that sustained performance. Even in the throttling test, it remained to around 80 or 75, 79%, even after 30 cycles. So I would say this is a very good device. There is a giveaway that I am giving. Follow me on at Himanshu Pathak and subscribe to the channel. There is no harm in subscribing the channel, and comment down what else would you like to know about this phone so that I can make another video about it. That's it, guys. Signing off. Thank you very much.